is the 14th anniversary of the Affordable Care Act, which made health care coverage available to more Americans. Chelsea Swift joins us in the control room after speaking with a former congresswoman who helped pass the bill. Chelsea.
Jen, that's right. Former county executive Kathy Dahlkemper was in Congress when they passed the historic legislation. She says she's proud to have supported the Affordable Care Act.
Local former Congresswoman Kathy Dahlkemper played a crucial role in voting for the Affordable Care Act back in 2009. She says this legislation aimed to make health care available to more Americans only passed in Congress by 2 votes. She says she's proud to have voted for the Affordable Care Act.
It felt extremely monumental when we voted for this bill. There was a lot of anger actually against the bill. I had 19 town hall meetings that summer of 2009, and they were very contentious at times. A lot of people didn't understand it. There was a lot of misinformation. So I think in that way, it's very similar to a lot of things that are happening today. People don't really understand the legislation.
Dahlkemper was the author of the piece that allows young people to stay on their parents' health insurance until age 26. The Erie County Democratic chairman says he believes the Affordable Care Act has helped millions of Americans.
I think that's going to be one of the big issues in the campaign. The Republicans want to repeal it like they've wanted to do since it was passed in 2009, and the Democrats want to expand it actually and cover more people.
The chairman of the Erie County Republican Party says he believes former President Donald Trump wants to improve the Affordable Care Act.
I think Trump's idea was what we want to try to do is make it better, and whether we call it the Affordable Care Act or some other act, we want to make it sure that people can afford health insurance, whether it's at low income or middle income or even higher.
It could be improved, yes, and I think it should be improved. I've held that from the day one that we voted on it. It was not a perfect piece of legislation, but I think the actual bones of it are in place until something much, much better is found, and I don't see that anywhere in the near future.
And the Supreme Court did not uphold the Affordable Care Act until June of 2012. Jen?
All right, Chelsea Swift live in our control room tonight. Thank you, Chelsea.